Besties, we have a Sephora sale haul. Yeah, we do. I didn't talk about it at all, like as far as prep, telling you what I was gonna get. I just kind of forgot, to be honest with you. I placed my order on the last day that it was available and I just got my stuff. So I figured we could go through it together. I made 2 orders. One, I bought stuff and then I realized I had gift cards all the way from my birthday and I was like, I'm gonna use those now. So we will start with the stuff I got with my gift card. Of course, beautiful samples. I got the Gucci Guilty, I think it's Pour Femme, and then Love by Killian, Don't Be Shy. Just gonna get rid of this box. Here are the 2 tools. So this first one I am so excited about. This is the Beauty Bio Extract, Infuse, and Clarify Glow Facial Tool. So this is basically a hydrofacial at home that you can do weekly, and I'm so excited. It comes with a concentrate and then you put water in one of the chambers, and then this side collects all of the gross water. As you can see, this is what it's supposed to be doing. I'm really excited to try this out. There was either great reviews or people who said it broke after 3 uses. So I am 100% going to try this out before the return window expires, just in case it's one of the ones that breaks after 3 uses. I really hope it doesn't, but I have been loving hydrofacials. Like, I cannot express how much I love them, but my pores clog immediately. Like the next day, my pores are clogged again. So I'm really hoping I could do this to kind of supplement my monthly hydrofacials, and it's a lot cheaper than getting more hydrofacials, let's be honest. I mean, this is an expensive product, but you know, cheaper in the grand scheme of things. Up next, I got the tool from Jillian Dempsey. This is the Beauty Bar. I talked about this when I said I got my lips done. Hold on, I don't have any scissors. Are we loving this sparkly headband? I wasn't even gonna wear it. I didn't even do my hair yet. I fell asleep with it wet and then it created this sort of like wave, and I'm like, you know what? We're gonna ride with that today. I didn't put any product in it. Oh my gosh, how am I gonna get this open? See if the lip gloss will come to the rescue. Oh yes, Sephora for the win. So when you open it, it comes with a card and a little pouch. And then there is the beauty tool. This is really good packaging. Here is the bar. It feels really heavy and good quality. Even better quality than the one I used to get my facial. It's just a vibrating, can you hear that? A vibrating facial massager. I'm so excited to get this because I fell in love with it when I was getting my lips done, and then I was getting a massage. I sound really bougie right now, but I promise you this was all spread out when I got a massage when I went on vacation with my boyfriend recently, and we never go on vacations. You guys saw the last vacation we went on the blog, and we had to cut it short. So anyway, I was getting the massage, and towards the end of the massage, the lady took a roller to my face and it felt so good. I was like, I am so zen right now. And I figured this would be a good tool for me to have on hand because I do get anxious spells where a distraction would be nice. So something like this, just like rubbing on my face, would be enough to distract me from my anxiety. So I went with it. I think it's plated in gold, which is why it is expensive and better quality than the other ones. I will link really affordable ones on Amazon. And in fact, I'm pretty sure it's the exact one that my esthetician was using, or the nurse was using, who did my lips. So really excited to try this, and it'll be really good to infuse skincare from the sheet masks that I do. I found some organic ones that aren't made with plastic, so I've been really excited. But let's move on to the little box, which has infinitely more stuff in it. Where should we begin? Let's start with like new products, like new to the market. Where am I gonna put this? This is the Kosas new Dream Beam Comfy Smooth Sunscreen Broad Spectrum SPF. I'm not gonna lie, I'm gonna be completely transparent. The colors brought me in. I saw the packaging and I was like, I need it. And then I looked at the ingredients and I'm like, okay, confirmed. This is a mineral SPF with peptides, ceramides, hyaluronic acid, and allantoin, or allantoin. I need to see how to pronounce that. I've never heard that word before. But I do know, oh my God, look at that applicator. I do know that the allantoin is also in Skin Fix products, which is really nice. This has a tiny bit of a hue, which I heard counteracts. It's gonna blend so nice into my skin. I do have foundation on my hand right now, so if you see any like lines, that's not this product. It's like a past product. That feels so nice. It is picking up my other foundation that I put on my hand, so I need to know that this will not mix with the Ilia Skin Tint, but you wouldn't need to use both because this has 40 SPF and so does this. This one definitely has more pigment and coverage. If you don't really need that much coverage, definitely go with this one. If you need more coverage, go with this one. But I'm so excited to have this. SPF is so important. I'm really trying to do right by my esthetician and wear sunscreen. And speaking of Skin Fix, this is the hand cream that I got for Nick because he loves it so much, and it's the only thing that helps the eczema on his hands, and I love to steal it because it's so nice and luxurious. I'll go into the 2 Gwen Stefani products that I bought. These are both new to the market as well. I got the Pout to Get Real Overlining Lip Pencil and the Can't Stop Staring Lengthening and Lifting Mascara. Now I'm wearing both of these right now. This is the packaging of the mascara, and look at the wand. It has like a little, oh my gosh, I'm gonna have to do the beauty YouTuber thing so it doesn't focus on my face. It has a little tip that is really good for getting the outer layers of lashes and then also the bottom lashes. Love it. And then also the Pout to Get Real lip cream, which I have on. The shade that I have is Do Whatever. It has the most unique pencil shape that I have ever seen. It's super thin. Oh, I wish I could show you. I'm gonna zoom in really fast and hope that it shows you. Okay, do you see this? It is so crazy unique. I have never seen something like this before. I mean, I've seen different things, but this is really cool. There's a learning curve. I didn't know how to use it at first, so it was a little bit aggressive at first because like I was trying to get the placement right, but the color is gorgeous. I'll swatch it for you. So it's like a light muted rosy brown, which is perfect for my fair skin ladies. And then the other side is just a little brush. So I'm loving this. Can't wait to use it with more products. I'm wearing it with MAC's Angel, which we all know is my favorite lipstick right now. It's just a throwback. I'm feeling really nostalgic lately. I don't know why. I've been doing a lot of inner child work and all I can think about is stuff that I used to love. And so MAC is just on my brain. This is such a random product. So I got these wiped compressed towels for when I do my skincare. If I'm not going to be going into the shower, I like a towel that's not a hand towel that gets washed with my other stuff because I think using towels has been breaking me out. So I got ones that were like pre-compressed, made of natural Eco-Tex materials, whatever, so I can feel better about using them, and we'll see how it goes. I don't know. Oh yes, we'll talk about this next. I've been using a different moisturizer that's really expensive. I'll link down below because I don't know how to say the name of it and I don't want to mess it up, so I'm using that one. And I think it might have been breaking me out. I don't know. I don't know if it's the hydrofacials, if it's sunscreen, if it's because I'm exfoliating more than I used to, which was very little because I was depressed, but now I'm doing a lot better, so I'm doing a lot more. I don't really know, but I needed a new moisturizer for my face, and I really wanted to try the Shani Darden one. This one says it's a hydration peptide cream for moisture, plump, and replenish. Moisture, plump, and replenish. It's made in the USA, which I've been trying to use more products that are made in the USA. I've been making a conscious effort and being more intentional with my purchases and not just buying willy-nilly off Amazon like I normally would. There's some good ingredients in this and it's water-based, so I think it'll work really well with my other skincare. I only got 3 more things. So let's start with something that I was influenced to buy. This is the Glossier Cleanser Concentrate. It's a clarifying face wash. First of all, obviously I got it because I've been having this like acne problem. Oh my gosh, this is gonna be hard to open too. Oh my gosh, look, my nails match the packaging. So funny. We're just gonna have to rip it to get in. Ooh, that's cool. It's a glass bottle and it was really affordable. It was $22 plus the sale, so whatever that was, made in the USA. We'd love to hear it. So I was influenced to buy this from somebody that I follow on Instagram. I'll put her link down below. I think she's Oh You Pretty Things on Instagram. She's so aesthetic. Like, she has the aesthetic that I wish I had. But I also realized that her stuff is highly curated and my stuff is not highly curated, so I get it. But anyway, she said she loves this and that's all I needed to hear because it said clarifying, the ingredients were good. I was like, all right, I'm in. I needed a new face wash anyway because I don't know if my face washes are breaking me out. I have no idea what's happening. But I got a Lawless product. This is also a new goody goody. This is Daisy Pink. I really wanted to get a bright pink blush like the Dior one, but the Dior one has talc in it and there's like no pigment. And anytime somebody uses it, I'm like, where's the pigment, girl? So this one, like I said, is Daisy Pink, clean formula. I'm wearing it today with a little bit of this Dior blush on top. It's so pretty. It's matte, and I love that it's matte, so I can use some of my more glowier topper products and get use out of those too, because I love them, but all the blushes I've been wearing lately before this have been like really glowy, so then I don't even need highlighter. Anyway, long story short, so happy to have this in my collection. It's such a pretty blush. Can you see that? Do not think that this is not pigmented. My swatches are just terrible. It's so pretty. I do want to find something that's even brighter pink. This has just the teeniest tinge of like a purpley hue to it. It's like a purple based pink, if that makes sense. So I want to find something that's just a pure bright pink. And I saw one from Too Faced that I really want to try, but I was like, I cannot buy 2 blushes in one haul because I literally don't go through blush. So I don't even need that blush, but I wanted it. Last but not least, I definitely didn't need this, but I wanted it. And so I went for it because it was on sale. This is the Dr. Barbara Sturm V-Wash. I'm sure you know what this is for, and if you don't, look it up. So I got this to try. I thought it was gonna be a lot bigger. This is small. I don't even know why I wanna try this because I haven't had the best of luck with her products. I did like her lip balm for when I was healing my lip injections, but yeah, I decided to get this anyway. I'll tell you if it's good. I don't know. I'm already stocked up on all of my like normal everyday products, so I was really able to get new things this time and not really have to stock up on anything. So I didn't realize it, but that is it. That is the end of the haul. Those are all the beautiful, pretty things that I got. I will be sure to update you. I will have a tutorial or like a get ready with me on this look so you can see the products in action. And I will also be using this stuff in a vlog later on because it's just so aesthetic and I love it. The packaging, ugh. I love glass packaging. It makes me so happy. I had been making a conscious effort to use less plastic. Now I know there was some plastic in this haul, but I have been doing my best. Like I don't use plastic water bottles anymore, which is huge for me. If you guys knew how much plastic water bottles I was using before, it was embarrassing. I felt so much shame for how much water bottles I was using. But now we have Stanley cups. Aluminum cans work too. But all right, besties, that is it. That's the end of the haul. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and my new upload schedule is going to be on both Wednesdays and Sundays now for my videos. So you will see me again really, really soon. Don't forget to check out my blog and like and subscribe and tell me what you picked up on the sale because I'm honestly curious because all this stuff is new to me, obviously. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.